In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a voicemail on Android phone. We will walk through the process together so you can leave a clear and professional greeting for anyone who calls you and reaches your voicemail. The exact steps depend on your phone and mobile carrier. Some Android phones use a built-in visual voicemail app, while others rely completely on your mobile carrier system. If your voicemail is carrier-based, you may need to call your voicemail and follow the voice instructions you hear, because the on-screen options can look different from one carrier to another. When things do not match exactly, focus on the spoken options in the voicemail system rather than what you see on the screen. Now open the phone app. On most Android phones, this is the green icon with a white phone handset near the bottom of the home screen. When it opens, you should see a keypad tab, plus recent calls and contacts along the top or bottom. If you do not see the keypad right away, tap the keypad icon so the number pad fills most of the screen. Next, press and hold 1 on the keypad. Keep your finger on the 1 key until you see it change to a little voicemail icon or until the phone starts dialing. Your phone will call your voicemail service and you will hear an automated voice start talking after a few seconds. Many beginners tap 1 quickly instead of pressing and holding, which just types the number instead of calling voicemail. Enter your voicemail PIN if asked. Your carrier might call this a password or passcode, but it is the same thing. Use the keypad on the screen to type it, then wait without pressing anything else. If the PIN is correct, you will hear the voicemail menu continue. If you enter it wrong several times, the system might pause or lock you out briefly, so move slowly and listen for any error message. After that, follow the voice prompts. Listen to each menu option because the wording can vary between carriers, and the system might mention different numbers to press. You can usually press a number at any time. You do not always need to wait until the voice finishes speaking. If you miss something, there is often an option to replay the menu, usually mentioned near the end of the prompt. From there, choose the option for voicemail greeting. The automated system will say something like personal greeting, main greeting, or outgoing message. It will then tell you which number to press to select it. Once you pick the greeting option, you will usually hear your current greeting played back, so you can confirm you are changing the right thing. Next up, record your new greeting. When the system tells you to start, hold the phone a short distance from your mouth and speak clearly. Say your name and what callers should do, for example, that they can leave a message after the tone. When you stop talking, the recording will end, or you may need to press a key to finish, depending on your carrier instructions. Finally, save the recording. The system will usually play your new greeting back and give you options to accept, re-record, or cancel. Press the number it tells you to press for save or keep, and wait for the confirmation message saying your greeting has been updated. You have just changed the voicemail greeting on your Android phone, so if this helped you get a message you like, give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Android tips.